I'm Jim Davis, and I'm the Chief Lending Officer at Granite Credit Union. I discovered them through our reverse mortgage specialist here at Granite several years ago to get the ball rolling. We've had ours for about 2 years. You have to be 62 years, both yourself and if you have a spouse that's also on the title of the home, they also need to be 62 years old. We wanted the option of having a line of credit, which ours is, for emergencies if we need it. And also the other option is to not have to make payments on your mortgage so that you can squirrel away money for retirement or emergencies or for home improvements if you need it. I did not, because reverse mortgages have come a long way since they were first introduced years ago. It's considered FHA product. It's backed by the Federal Home Loan Association, and so because of that, there's some guidelines and regulations that must be followed so that people won't be steered wrong. It's very similar to obtaining a regular mortgage. You fill out an application. You meet with a mortgage loan officer. There's an appraisal involved on the home. There's also a counseling session which is required that is through a certified FHA counselor. And pretty much what we went through with them is just our finances, kind of the same questions like why do we want a reverse mortgage, talked about the ins and outs of the program pretty much that way. So they made sure that we understood it fully. The benefits, number one, just peace of mind. I don't have the pressure to make payments on my mortgage, although I have been making payments, but that's an option. It's not mandatory that you make payments on a reverse mortgage. And it's also the peace of mind that if I need it for an emergency, then I can draw on that line of credit, which happens to increase every year. I would recommend it specifically for as people are getting older and they foresee being on a fixed income, that it would be a good option, especially if they owed money on their first mortgage, that they could go ahead and apply for it and get that, so that would offer them some peace of mind that they wouldn't be pressured into continuing to make a payment on their mortgage, and it would free up cash for them for other things that they may need. No, we did not face any challenges. In fact, one thing that I think I need to stress real quickly is that reverse mortgages, the mortgage itself, the house itself will stay in the family. In other words, if I were to pass away, it would automatically be my wife's home. She can live in that home without making payments on her reverse mortgage until she passes away. Then our family members who we've maybe deeded it to or willed it to have between 6 months and a year to decide if they want to pay off what's the balance owing on the reverse mortgage or to just sell the home. And then they would benefit from whatever equity remains in that home. And so overall, it's a great win for everybody involved there. If you're at that age of 62 or older, I would come see us and talk to a reverse mortgage specialist. There are some false information that's out there on the internet that can be tricky and can maybe give you a weird feeling about reverse mortgages, but it's best to come talk to a reverse mortgage professional. Probably one of the best things we've decided as a husband and wife to do for our finances going forward.